California has entered the darkest days of the pandemic so far. A record 74,000 new cases of COVID-19 were recorded on Monday.
We're likely to experience the worst conditions in January that we faced the entire pandemic, and that's hard to imagine.
And the worst is yet to come, with many more cases anticipated due to travel and people getting together over the winter holidays.
We are entering into now what we anticipate, the surge on top of a surge. It's going to put a lot of pressure on hospitals and ICUs coming out of the holidays.
Los Angeles County ambulance crews are under orders not to transport patients with little chance of recovery to overburdened hospitals. They've also been told to ration oxygen, providing it only to the sickest patients. Oxygen tanks are in short supply in hospitals as well. Exhausted doctors, nurses, and hospital staff are buckling under the strain.
We haven't yet seen a post-December surge. If we do, on top of where we are now, we will go under. The healthcare system will collapse.
Public health officials say the virus is everywhere. There is no safe place outside of one's own home.
Maybe it's somebody at the grocery store that you interact with, even for just a few minutes in line.
Thousands of people waited to get tested at Dodger Stadium, the largest testing site in the U.S. One person is infected every 6 seconds in Los Angeles, according to the city's mayor. While widespread vaccine distribution is seen as the light at the end of the tunnel, so far the rollout nationwide has been slow and sometimes chaotic. Just 4.5 million people have received doses of vaccine, a far cry from the outgoing Trump administration's pledge of 20 million by the end of 2020. The Trump administration has refused to come up with a nationwide plan for vaccination, dumping that responsibility on the states. Some states, like Florida and Tennessee, opted to make vaccines available to all seniors on a first-come, first-served basis. That led to long lines of people in their 70s and 80s waiting for hours to get shots, only to be told supplies had run out. Nationwide, 356,000 people have perished from COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control estimates more than 400,000 will die by late January. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.